everyone. Today in phonics we are looking at the sound air. Air. That's not fair. When you see our picture you need to say that's not fair, and when you see our sound you need to say air. Ready? Air. Air. That's not fair. Air. Well done if I didn't catch you out. Let's have a look at our sound. We have 3 letters that make one sound today. Can you remember what that's called? Well done if you said trigraph. A trigraph means 3 letters that make one sound. Our 3 letters today are a, I and Well done. Air. Air. I am going to mix it in with some other sounds to see if I can catch you out. When you see our sound from today, you need to shout whoosh. Ready? Shh. Z. Z. Whoosh. Well done if you shouted whoosh and you spotted our trigraph from today. Whoosh. What's our sound again? That's right. Air. Air. Let's have a think about our ear words. Turn your listening ears on, put your magic eyes on me, and wave your thread fingers in the air. Ready, let's go. Air. Fair. Let's segment it. Air, fair. Air, fair. Well done. Let's do another one. Let's do air. Air. Segment it at home. Air, hair. Well done. We're going to do a trickier one that starts with a digraph now. Are you ready? Ch, air, chair. Let's segment it together. Ch, air, chair. Well done. Now an even trickier one. This one you will need your water pistol fingers. Ready? St, air. Well done if you got stare. Let's do it together. St, air, stare. And again. St, air, stare. Well done. Now we're going to do some green words. So thread in your head. Put your thumbs up when you've got it. And we'll say it all together after 3. Well done if you're using your thread fingers. 1, 2, 3. Well done if you said fair. Let's segment it. Fair. Did our trigraph come at the start of our word or at the end? You're right, it came at the end of our word. Well done. Let's do another one. One, 2, 3. Chair. Let's segment it. Chair. This one was trickier because we had a digraph and then our trigraph, which made it really tricky to blend and segment. So well done if you had a good go at that one. Now we're going to think about how we write our sound air. Have a little look. We need an a, an I, and an Stand up. Get your magic pens out, give them a sharpen, give them a blow. Test them in the air. Mine's pink. What colour is yours? Okay, let's get started then. We're going to go from all the way over here, all the way around the apple. Remember our sneaky trick. We start with a k, k. Ready? Round the apple, down the leaf. You can do a jump across to our next sound. Down the inset, dot for his head, and another jump across. And we're going to go down the robot, up and over his arm. Well done, give yourselves a whoop whoop. Right. Right, everybody sit down again, get your notebooks out, and this time I'm going to write it with you on the board. So while you're writing it on your notebooks, on your hands, I'm going to write it on the board. Ready? Let's start with our we're going to go round the apple, down the leaf, down the insect, dot for his head, down the robot, up and over his arm. Well done. If you got that correct, you can wipe off your notebooks. Now, for our next bit, we would usually do our 1, 2, 3, but you might need to pause the video to find your books that we gave you to take home and find a pencil. You will need somewhere to sit so that you can practice your sound. So I'll give you a chance to get that now and you can play it when you're ready. Right then, let's get started. So we're going to have one more practice, but this time you're going to hold your pencil in the air with your Peter Pointer and your Tommy Thumb, and we're going to practice it in the air one more time. Ready? Round the apple, down the leaf, down the insect, dot for his head, down the robot, up and over his arm. When you are ready, you can sit down like your TBQ and practice. When you're happy, you can play the video again and we're going to recap some other sounds. Off you go. So well done for writing our words. Now we're going to have a go at writing a sentence. So stand up. Ready? My turn first. He can brush my hair. Full stop. Let's say it together. He can brush my hair. Full stop. And again. He can brush my hair. Full stop. He can brush my hair. Full stop. Let's clap it. He can brush my hair. Full stop. He can brush my hair. Full stop. Now let's have a think about the first word. That's a red word that you already know. He. And remember your capital letters, your finger spaces and your full stop. Pause the video, have a go, and when you're ready we can do it together. Off you go. Okay, well done for having a go. We're going to write it together, tick it as we're going along. If you need to change anything you've done, that's fine. So our first word is a red word. So I'm going to get my red pen, and remember we need a capital letter. How do we write he? We need a and an F, but I'm going to write a H because it's a capital letter. So remember we're going to go down, cross, down, that says he. If you've written he correctly, you can give yourself a big tick. Everybody throw me a finger space. Can. Can. That's one of the words we can use our red fingers for. Can. If you've written can correctly, give yourself a tick. He can brush. Brush is a tricky one. Let's segment it together. Brush. Pay attention. I'm going to do B. Thank you for throwing me a finger space. I almost forgot. And then I need digraph. If you've written that correctly, give yourself a tick. He can brush my. Now that is another tricky red word, and we need and a y. Ready? Lazy mountain, mountain. Under his chin. He can brush my hair. We already know how to write hair, so everybody should have gotten that one. Let's have a go together. We need a and our trigraph air. And at the end of our sentence, we need to make sure we've got a full stop. So, give yourself a tick for your red words. If you've had to go at segmenting your green words, your full stops and your finger spaces, give yourself a big smiley face if you tried your best. Now, I would like you to have a go at writing red word 2. Play the video when you're ready. If you've written your red word 2 like me, give yourself a tick. I want you to have a go at writing the. When you're ready, play the video. That's right. The is just like this, and we've practiced it lots of times. And before we finish, let's have a quick look through some of our red words. Me. Go. She. We. No. The. Well done, everybody. Say, I'm amazing at phonics. And give yourselves a whoop whoop. You have a challenge at home. I would like you to write a sentence with air in. So, I sit in my chair. I sit in my chair. See if you can give it a go. Well done.